At our container house company, HIG Green Integrated Tech Company Limited, we are committed to designing and installing unique, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective living and working spaces for individuals and businesses. With years of experience and a professional team, we provide innovative solutions to meet our customers' ever-changing needs. We specialize in container houses, which are a sustainable and versatile alternative to traditional building methods. We specialize in retrofitting containers to create structurally sound, comfortable, and visually appealing residential, office, and commercial buildings. Our container houses undergo rigorous quality control procedures to ensure they meet or exceed industry standards. We offer a range of products to meet our customers' diverse needs, including standard container houses, retrofitted container houses, and assembled container houses. Our standard container houses are pre-designed, providing an affordable option for a simple and practical living or working space. Our retrofitted container houses are customized to meet our customers' specific needs and preferences, while our assembled container houses are created by connecting multiple containers to create larger living or working spaces. At our company, this is why we offer personalized services, taking into account our customers' specific needs, budget, and timeline. Our expert team includes architects, engineers, designers, and technicians who work together to create the perfect container house for each customer. In addition to our commitment to sustainability, we prioritize safety and security. Our container house designs comply with building regulations, and we use high-quality materials and components.